Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to use coffee grounds as an insect repellent. This video will take you through the most natural and effective ways to repel insects using coffee grounds, so stick around and find the best guide. First, burn coffee grounds. One effective way of repelling insects indoors or outdoors is by burning coffee grounds. Most insects, especially mosquitoes, hate the smell of burning coffee and will keep away. Please follow the procedure below. Remove coffee grounds from the coffee maker, spread them on an aluminum plate, and let them dry completely. Once dry, transfer the coffee grounds to a fireproof dish or foil plate and add a few drops of barbecue lighter fluid. Saturating the coffee grounds with lighter fluid will cause them to burn quickly. Use a lighter to ignite the grounds and allow them to burn and produce smoke. You can then smother the fire by placing a damp towel over the fireproof dish to keep the grounds smoldering. Alternatively, add fresh bay leaves to smother the fire and produce a more repellent scent. Spread throughout the yard. Another effective way to use coffee grounds as an insect repellent is by spreading them throughout the yard. This simple process only requires accessing coffee grounds and sprinkling them around the perimeter of your garden or home. The strong scent deters insects like ants, bees, and wasps. Additionally, because coffee grounds are abrasive and acidic, they can help with snail and slug problems. However, note that this method is unsafe for pets, as coffee grounds contain caffeine, which is toxic to cats and dogs. Create a coffee ground spray. Besides burning and manually spreading coffee grounds, you can also create a spray for convenience. You can make an effective spray by doing the following. Mix water and coffee grounds in a 2-to-1 ratio and bring the mixture to a boil. To create a concentrated spray, ensure the liquid reduces, then cool the mixture. Transfer the content into a sprinkler and spray it near plants, around the garden, or yard to create a masking repellent scent. This mixture effectively slows adult mosquitoes from laying eggs and may kill larvae. To make the mixture more effective at repelling insects, add strong scents like citrus, peppermint, cinnamon, lavender, pine, and eucalyptus using essential oil drops, fresh plants, or their fruits. So there you have it. Insects can be a nuisance, especially if they are disease carriers like mosquitoes and flies, or venomous species such as certain ants, wasps, and spiders. Coffee grounds offer a natural alternative for dealing with these problems both indoors and outdoors. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like it, and share the video. Till next time.